The fastest machine in the world?
Reality or magic? You decide.
Is this even physically possible?
This video is breaking the internet right now!
Science or just clever animation? Comment below.
Don't believe everything you see online.
Fast food just got a whole lot faster.
The ultimate magic trick. The chicken disappearing act.
Instant Kebab Factory. No waiting required.
Those chickens had no idea what hit them.
Direct from the farm to the frying pan.
The perfect machine for gym bros needing protein.
Walk in as a chicken, leave as a sausage.
Where can I buy this for my backyard?
The power of CGI. Looks real, doesn't it?
Viral videos often rely on subtle manipulation. Here, we adjust the color grade to transform a simple balancing act into something seemingly impossible.
Don't be fooled. This is high-level 3D animation.
The core flaw lies in the inescapable force of friction. As momentum transfers through the gears, energy... To achieve this shot, we started with green screen footage of the stunt. We then used motion tracking to composite the CG vehicle you see here in the wireframe view. Expectation versus reality in food processing. While commercials show clean automation, the truth is often grueling manual labor in unsanitary conditions.